Hi everyone, here I am with a new tutorial of watercolor impression. Thank you so much each and everyone for watching the video. Now I'm going to start. So here basically I'm using 100% carton paper. I wet the paper with clean water little bit, and then I'm using cobalt blue on the top of the sky. I'm requesting everyone, do not make the painting complicated at the beginning. Try to make your painting simple and soft at the beginning of the painting when you are doing the wash. Here you can see I am using little bit olive green burnt sienna to make the ground, and I am just adding little bit of brown on the tree trunk, not too much, and according to the light I'm adding little bit burnt dark brown. I prefer dark to light always when I'm doing trees. I did the same thing here. So I did the dark part of the tree first, and then I did the upper part, which is light. And I added another tree a little far from the camera. It will make your composition a little strong. Look, whatever color I am using, those all are secondary color, not primary. I'm adding a little bit orange to the body and a little bit blue, cobalt blue. You can use cerulean, and a little brown touch for the bucket. And now I'm adding my jack here. So little bit spine gray for the path, and now I'm adding some fence and also the shadow for the ground shadow. The timing is near about 3 o'clock at the afternoon, so shadow should be a little bit longer. You all know that the shadow is very, it should be very meaningful according to the light. If you are doing very early morning, the shadow should be long, and the end of the day it will be the same thing. Shadow should be long, but here it's like 3 o'clock. So the shadow is medium size. And look, I'm not going to change my brush again and again. I'm using the single brush. You all know that I like to use my single brush all over the painting. Sometimes it's feel difficult, but it's okay. Like here, you can see the electric cable little bit thick at the distance. So I'm going to erase little bit, and it will be fine. No worries, because this is not my subject. Excuse me. The main thing is take care of the value of the color. It's more necessary than green, red, yellow. The value, the dark and the light. Like here, the bushes are very close to the camera, and it's also into the shadow. So what I'm doing, I'm adding more dark. So people ask me, sir, what do you mean by dark? Dark means dark value of green or any color. To create more dark, you can add a little bit blue, Persian, or you can add a little bit brown with green, Bansiana, and it will create more dark value of the element. So here you can see that bushes are very close to the camera and it's into the shadow, and it will create the distance as well. So what I'm doing, I'm adding blue, brown together into the green. I'm getting my dark value of green. As well as in the right side, I'm going to add little small bushes. As you all know, in village path, mostly Indian village path, and with little distance, I'm going to add little human, secondary human, of course, not primary. Please take care. Do not use red or orange for the secondary object. Here is Jack, little for Jack, and a little birds in here and there. So do as simple as you can at the beginning. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you each and every individual supporter, followers, my family, my friends. Please do share. If you like, please leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.